Foshan Soonfer Intelligent Equipment Company Limited was established on November 30th, 2020. With rich experience in the multifunctional packaging equipment area. Our main products include packing machines, filling machines, horizontal packing machines, and other optional devices. In addition, we are making great efforts in developing new products to meet the different needs from all over the world. Currently, the main export areas of our products are Europe, America, Africa, Southeast Asia. We sincerely serve our customers and provide them with professional packaging solutions, quality products, and meticulous service. We have impressive R&D team, focusing on products development and design. We have accurate inspection tools to assist us strictly control the quality and inspection. We have thoughtful after-sales service to solve various after-sales issues from customers. All of those makes us professional, rigorous, and trusted. We insist that professionalism is the cornerstone of success. Rigor guarantee for the quality, and the innovation is the driving force of the company and development. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have won reputation among our customers with us professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We are warmly welcome customers at home and abroad to cooperate with us and to achieve common success.